Hello friends, today we will learn 20 lines on Defense Day. So let's start. Defense Day is celebrated on September 6 to commemorate Pakistan's successful defense against India's attack in 1965. The day honors the bravery and sacrifices of Pakistan's armed forces. On September 6, 1965, India launched a surprise attack on Pakistan. Pakistan's military responded valiantly, defending the country's sovereignty. The 1965 war showcased the determination and resilience of Pakistan's armed forces. The war ended on September 23, 1965, but its impact is still remembered. Defense Day is a testament to Pakistan's strength and unity. We pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives for Pakistan. The day inspires patriotism and national pride. Pakistan's armed forces are a symbol of courage and sacrifice. Defense Day reminds us of the importance of national unity. We salute the heroes who defended Pakistan's borders. The day is celebrated with parades, ceremonies, and events across Pakistan. Defense Day is an opportunity to reflect on Pakistan's history. We honor the sacrifices made by our armed forces. Pakistan's defense is a collective responsibility of every citizen. Defense Day promotes a sense of responsibility and patriotism. We remember the bravery and selflessness of our soldiers. The day strengthens our resolve to build a stronger Pakistan. Defense Day is a celebration of Pakistan's resilience and determination. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.